Stock investing for beginners. Iran hit its way. Some stocks went down and also some stocks went up. What stocks are they? In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways that you can profit from the stock market during a war. So let's look at the video.
Yo, נפילה, לא מאמין, לא מאמין.
איראן עשתה הערב טעות גדולה, והיא תשלם על כך. המשטר באיראן לא מבין את נחישותנו להגן על עצמנו ואת נחישותנו לגמול לאויבינו.
At my direction, the United States military actively supported the defense of Israel, and we're still assessing the impact. But based on what we know now, the attack appears to have been defeated and ineffective. Make no mistake, the United States is fully supportive of Israel.
So, has World War III already begun? Who do you support? Do you support Israel or do you support Iran? Comment down below. Today we're going to talk about stock markets. What happened after the Iran hit Israel? S&P 500 went down the past 5 days, 0.96%. On the day after Iran struck Israel, the stock market went down about 1%. So it recovered a little bit. So not bad. I mean, year to date, stock market is still up 20.18%. Better than investing in a real estate. If you invest in real estate, you can possibly make 7% to 12%. If you make 10%, it's already good. So I'm going to teach you how you can make money. There are 3 ways. Whenever there is a crisis, there is an opportunity. And how do you make the best use of it? And what could happen during a war to the stock market? So let's look at Nasdaq, down 1.7%. It was down over 1% just after the day it struck, but it just recovered a little bit. It did not move at all on October 3rd, today. Did not move. It did not move yesterday either. So the stock market couldn't find a balance. It wanted to go up in the morning, but it went down, then went up, it went down, then it just recovered. Dow Jones, it was up 0.2% the past 5 days, but it was also down after Iran hit Israel. One day, it couldn't find, it did not move at all. You see, for the past 2 days, there has been a push and pull between the bulls and the bears. So they don't know what to do, because of the war, and also it's October. And year to date, it's still up. Nasdaq year to date, it's still up 21.25%. The past 5 years, double the money, more than 124% if you invested the past 5 years. It doesn't matter what happened. COVID crash, it recover. Bear market, it recover. If you look at maximum, really didn't matter. Yeah, there was a big crash in 2000, but if you just dollar cost average, invest regular every month, you will have already break even, after a few years after the 2000 crash. Then it went up. Then yeah, now look at that, COVID crash, Then after the bear market crash, it just recover again. That's the beauty of investing in the stock market. The same way American stock market, okay? Not any other stock market, only US stock market. Look at that, because US has the best companies in the world, their presence is everywhere. So they are kind of diversified. If you invest in a company, say Vietnamese company, or maybe say Serbian company or Russian company, they only have presence in one country. So anything happens, Russia-Ukraine war, Russia company stock crash, but American companies like Google, like Meta, they are everywhere. So it's very, very hard for them to crash, easier for them to recover. That's why I love investing in American companies. Look at that, the same way, look at that. And what happened during the World War III? And I talked about it 11 months ago. World War III, what could happen to the stock markets during the war? So you can go and watch that videos. Go to my YouTube channel, Master Rich Stock Option Crypto. Go to videos, and you can look for that video 11 months ago with the Israel flag and Putin thumbnail. So there are a few stocks that went up after the war even hit the Israel. Chevron is up 7.51%. The past 5 days from October 2nd. Let's look at today, October 3rd. Yeah, it went up a little bit. So compared to the past 5 days, look at that. It went up more, 5.82%. Year to date is only up 1.18%. So most of the gain came from the past 5 days. The past 5 days, look at that. 5 years, it does it beat S&P 500? No, it does not beat S&P 500. So that's why I don't like invest in oil and gas company, because it does not beat S&P 500. Look at that. But 5 days, yes, it's up. Look at ExxonMobil. It's up 9.32% the past 5 days before October 2nd. But if you look at October 3rd, the past 5 days, 7.74%. Year to date, it's up 19.75%. Yeah, it doesn't beat S&P 500, but look at the past. Most of the gain came from the past 5 days. And another one, look at share, up 4.42% from October 2nd and before. Just refresh it to include October 3rd. So that will be 5.23%. Look at that, 5.23%. That's pretty good. Year to date, 1.2% down. 5 years, it doesn't beat S&P 500. Yeah, most of the gain came from 5.23% the past 5 days. It's because of the crisis. If something happens in Iran is one of the main oil exporters. So the supply is going to be down. The demand is right here. So if a war breaks out, especially to the oil producing countries like Iran, supply is going to be down, demand is here, so the price has to go up. So if the price goes up, the revenue of the oil gas company goes up. Then after that, their profits going to go up. So if their revenues and profits go up, more money for the shareholders. That's why stocks went up. This is number 3 ways that you can profit from war. Buy oil and gas companies if you think that they're going to keep going up. And number 2, weapons manufacturers. Lockheed Martin Corporation, they manufacture aircraft, fighter jets, helicopter used in war, and weapons. So that's why their stocks went up 5.18% the past 5 days. Look at that. Yep, 4.8%. 5 days including October 3rd. Yeah, year to date, 32.82%. Look at that. It's went up like crazy. 1 year, 50.02%. 5 years, look at that. Most of the gains in the past 5 years came from the past 1 year. That's pretty crazy, right? It's because of the war. would I invest in this company long term? I would rather buy S&P 500. But yeah, during the war, you can profit because all the other stocks gonna go down. But the weapons manufacturer, oil and gas company, they're gonna go up. That's a way to hedge the damage from the war. So you can buy it if you want. This is not financial advice. I'm just looking at what's happening in the stock market. And which stocks are down? This is number 2, second way to make money, buy weapon manufacturer during a war. Number 1 ways to make money from the stock market during a war is buying great companies that are down. Nvidia down, the past 5 days, 5.22% down. But year to date, it's still up, 146.73%. 5 years is up, much better than S&P 500. Today it went up 3.32%. It recovered, it bounced back. Even though the war broke out, it went down, it bounced back. So that's why the past 5 days, it did not go down so much, especially October 3rd, it went up, it recovered. Next one, Amazon. From October 2nd and before, it was down 5.01% because of the war, even Israel war. So year to date, let's see what's happened. Oh, need to do this by scale. Okay, come on. Year to date, it's up 21.36%, and 5 years, look at that. It beat S&P 500. The past 5 days is down, but it did not recover yet, so it could go up pretty soon. After hours, it went up 1.16%. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's look at Amazon. Do I have Amazon? Of course, I have Amazon. Amazon 100 shares, average cost 146.39, up 25.84%. Would I sell Amazon? No, because it's a great company. Buying a great company is like holding a great company for long term is like holding a good girlfriend. Once she's moody a little bit, just like Amazon, she doesn't want to talk to you, it's okay. You do not break up with her. Okay, you may talk to other girlfriends that you have, and you may date other girlfriends you have, but you don't break up with her, and you keep holding because she's already given you 25.85%. When a woman invests in you and makes your life better by 25.85%, don't let her go. Okay, just because she's moody a little bit. The same way, do not sell investment just because it's moody a little bit, it went down a little bit. I'm not gonna sell Amazon. I'm gonna keep holding because it could be up 2 times, 3 times the next 5 years, 10 years. As long as if I believe that this company is gonna be better in the next 5 years, 10 years, I'm not gonna sell. The same way with my girlfriend. If I believe that if the lady is good, she's gonna be better for my life in the next 5 years, 10 years, I'm not gonna let her go. The same way, let's look at the next stock. Microsoft is down 4.12% the past 5 days. Year to date, 12.47% up. 5 years better than S&P 500. So I don't have any reason to sell this stock. I'm just gonna keep holding. Did it recover? It did not recover on October 3rd. And the next one, Meta. Yeah, the past 5 days it did not go down so much because it went up. It went up year to date, 65.41%. 5 years, 217.43%. Pretty good. It went up on October 3rd too, 1.74%. Pretty good. And let's look at Apple. Went down 0.79% only. And would I buy Apple? No, I'm not gonna buy Apple. I don't have Apple because I think it's overpriced, overvalued. It doesn't matter how good the woman is. She may be so beautiful, she may be young, she may be a virgin. But if she makes your life difficult for you, if she asks too high of the price, she doesn't want to go out when you ask her, and she gave it so much trouble to you, don't date her. Okay, I don't buy Apple because I believe it's overvalued right now. Yeah, if it went down much more, probably around 160, 170. I'm gonna buy Apple because it's gonna be another value. Yeah, when the girl is so beautiful, she's a virgin, she's young, she changes her mind. Yeah, she's gonna contact you, she gonna ask you out. Then yes, you can basically date her, you know, because she's making your life easier. The same way with stock investing, only buy great companies when they are undervalued. Okay. Next one, Google. Yes, up 1.91%. Year to date, 20.04%. 5 years, it beat S&P 500. And let's look at October 3rd. It did not move. Okay. The past 5 days, 1.91%. Do I have alphabet? Yes, I have alphabet. 165.6.05. Overnight, it's recover. I told you before the past few weeks I have been buying alphabet Google. So why did it go up even though there was a war? Because it has been going down because of antitrust lawsuit. DOJ, Department of Justice, they want to break up the alphabet because they think that alphabet is too big. They are damaging competitions. Yeah. So that's why it went down to 148.71. You don't have to even catch the bottom. See, in this portfolio, I don't even catch the bottom. I bought it when it was higher. Then I averaged down 159.13. 300 stop, profit 4.35%. Would I sell this stock? No, I'm not gonna sell because if this company is gonna be double or triple in the next 5 years, it doesn't make sense for me to sell. And the same way, when you are dating a girl, a woman, always think about how to make her life better. Okay, that's the mindset. If I don't believe that I could make her life better twice as much as before, I'm not gonna even date her. Okay, the same way, if I don't think that this stock not gonna double or triple in the next 5 years, I'm not even gonna buy, hold it. Okay, so if you have any question, comment down below. Who do you think will win the war? Is it Iran or Israel? Comment down below. If you want to learn more, remember to go and watch my videos. World War III, what could happen to stock markets during a war, then you can prepare. If you are just starting out, you can open a stockbroker account. The link is going to be down below as well. Get a free stock. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.